Welcome. In front of me I have HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I'll show you a couple tricks that you can use when you're using camera on the smartphone. So let's open the camera. And first we are going to enter for the settings. And here we can find the two interesting options. The first one is the volume key feature. You can use the volume key as volume, shot or zoom. I'm always using this as a zoom, and just take a look when we switch it and try to zoom in. We can move to the volume buttons and press the volume up button. As you can see, it zooms in smoothly, and take a look on the quality of the zoom. It looks really nice, right? When we zoom out, you press the volume down button. Yeah. Let's go back for the settings, because here we can find another option that probably will be able to get you better photos. There we get the red eye removal. So when you are making photo with flashlight, it will definitely help you to remove the red eye. So you don't have to use any external apps. And also what we can get, now we can change the video quality from the middle to the high. It's very, very cool. Now when we go right here on the right upper corner, we can find modes, standard modes like slow motion, panorama, time-lapse, motion photo. But we got here a very cool watermark. Honestly, I didn't know that smartphone can get that amount of watermarks. Just take a look. There's a lot of these watermarks that we can add to our photo. For example, you can get this one, I miss you. So click on it once, then click and hold and move it to the place that you want to get. I'm going for the right upper corner, and when we take a photo, maybe with this one, let's take it. Bam, the photo was taken. And take a look on the right upper corner, we got a really cool watermark. What we can find here also, when you go for the modes, we can find the macro photos. So we can really get close to the object, even like that. We can also use zoom, so we can zoom very close. Yeah, and it's still very sharp. Let's take, bam. Okay, the photo was taken, and take a look how many details we can get here and how close we can get to the object with macro mode. And basically that's it. I'm not going to show you modes like video, photo or night, because everybody know that. I just try to show you the things that surprised me a little bit in this smartphone. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.